In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new product category on Shopify. Whether you're just starting out with your online store or looking to organize your inventory, setting up a well-structured product category is essential for improving customer experience and boosting sales. Let's dive into the process together. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin account. To do this, go to shopify.com and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu where you'll find all your main navigation options. In this menu, locate and click on Products. This is your hub for managing everything related to the products you'll be offering in your store. Next, under the Products section, you'll notice an option labeled Collections. This is a very important area where you can organize your products into groupings or categories, making it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. Click on Collections, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can view existing collections or create new ones. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a button that says Create Collection. Go ahead and click on that and we can start setting up your new product category right away. You'll need to come up with a name for your category. Think about what kinds of products will be included. For instance, you might name it shoes if you're adding footwear, or perhaps accessories, or men's clothing if you're creating a collection for those items. For this demonstration, let's go with shoes. This name will be visible to your customers, so choose something clear and descriptive. Scroll below the name field, where you have the option to add a description and some SEO information. Although these fields are optional, providing detailed descriptions and optimizing them for search engines can really enhance visibility and draw customers in. Consider adding keywords that your audience might use to find the collection you're creating. After setting up the basics, you have a decision to make regarding how you want to manage the products within this collection. Shopify gives you two options. You can opt for a manual collection type, which means you will add your products one by one. Alternatively, you can choose an automated collection. This is a time-saving feature where Shopify will automatically add products based on certain criteria you set, such as tags or titles. Think about what suits your strategy best and then make your selection. Once you've thought this through and made your choice, all that's left to do is click Save. And there you have it. Your new product category is now created. It will appear under the Collections section you've been working in, ready for you to populate with products. Congratulations on taking a significant step in organizing your Shopify store. Keep tuning in for more tips to optimize your online business. Thanks for watching.